So guys, these are the Miracle noodles. I'm at Publix. So they have the fettuccine, spaghetti, angel hair, and rice. So I'm gonna get the angel hair. Miracle noodles. Okay, so now I'm on the cookie aisle. I'm always looking for sugar-free options. So Publix has the chocolate chip sugar-free, oatmeal sugar-free, like a fudge brownie sugar-free, shortbread sugar-free, lemon sugar-free. I don't even know what these are. Some kind of almond cookie sugar-free, shortbread, pecan chocolate chip. Oh, they have a lot of sugar-free options. Peanut butter sugar-free, vanilla, chocolate, lemon. I mean, sugar-free options are pretty good, but you can see they're $4 a piece, so the price is slightly different from, let me see, not much off though, 50 cents maybe. If you're going for the regular cookies, it's not much of a price difference. So this is a lot to choose from. I guess I'm gonna probably try these look so good. These almond. Oh, so many choices. I love shortbread. Oh, so I think I'm gonna just try these for today and see what these are like. Pecan shortbread. Surprised they don't have for more zero sugar options in sodas. I've ever seen the big ice drinks, larger ones. I've never seen those before. The regular size ones are what, $1.25 a piece in here. Sugar-free lemon cake, swirl cake, okay, and some vegan bites. No sugar added. Oatmeal bites. So I'm thinking about trying this seasoned ground chicken. It's buy one, get one free. Taco night, simply seasoned and Italian style. Never had it, but I'm always looking for healthy things to put on top of my salads. I think I'm gonna try this one. Taco night and go up the Italian style, the season. I also want to try California crust pizza. This one just comes with cheese. They have another one. It has pepperoni and mushrooms. I could get this one and just pick the mushrooms off. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'm gonna go with this one and just take the mushrooms off. Yeah, these are the two cauliflower options that they offer. And they're $9.69 each. Can of chicken broth. So I've got the mild banana peppers, the adobo seasoning, some complete seasoning. So we're just about done in Publix. Grabbed a few things. Just wanted to see what healthy options that they offer in the store. I might look at a couple more things. And then Budweiser Zero. Wow. So they make zero beer now? Interesting. But yeah, I'll look around and see what else I can find. So I'm making my version of a healthier top ramen. And simple ingredients. Some green onion, chicken broth, adobo, some chicken bouillon, the Miracle noodles, and some sauteed shrimp. This is what the Miracle noodles look like as you're rinsing them off. So I hear popping sound. At this point, the noodles look like they are pretty much dried out. They look like they're pretty much dried out. I'm going to keep separating them because they'll tend to stick together a little bit. So just keep using whatever utensil that you have and just keep kind of separating the noodles to make sure they don't stick together. but I'm definitely hearing some popping going on. Okay, so now to the next step. These have been cooking for about 5 minutes. We're going to add our chicken broth. You can hear them popping. Almost sounds like popcorn. We're going to add some chicken broth. I'm not really measuring it. I'm just kind of pouring some from the can. And I guess I used about a little more than half a can of chicken broth. Depends on how wet you want your noodles to be. Okay? I'm not really measuring. I'm just going to pour some adobo. Again, just do it to your taste. I'm gonna say if I had to measure that in my mind, I would say it was probably a little more than a teaspoon. Again, do things to your taste. At this point, I'm gonna add some parsley as well, because you know when you get the little ramen packages, they always have like a little parsley in there. So you're just gonna add some parsley to your noodles. And this is the finished product. Feel free to add more seasoning if you like. Just season it to your taste.